Ha ha ha. Now that everyone in the kingdom has been mind controlled, there's no one who can stop me. But then I'll stop you. No. Boom. Oh no. The turtle has destroyed my ability to mind control people. Now everyone will be normal again. The day has been saved by Kalo the turtle, going for a victory swim. Go swim. Swim! He's so funny. Alright, you don't want to go swimming? Do you want to go swimming? Don't give us that face. Come on, don't be such a turtle. You saved the day. There you go. Go back to your tank. Now, all cockatiels have been completely brainwashed, have completely been saved, and so have the millet people. Hey, you two, stop fighting! You just got saved by a turtle. Yeah. Sonic, stop being a bad boy. Hey, get back here. The incredible saga of the 50-foot cockatiel has now been finished.